We received our Apple Watch Series 9 today, the latest offering from Apple. I'm going to unbox it, and you will see what comes with it, and for which user segment Apple has designed this watch. I opted for the 41 meters MVD, although a 45mm V is also available. I ordered my Apple Watch Series 9 with an aluminium case in a midnight black color. If you choose the aluminium case, you will have 5 color options: red, pink starlight, silver and midnight black. That if you go for the stainless steel case, there are 3 color options available: gold, graphite and silver. First, let me inform you about the prices. The Apple Watch Series 9 GPS variant and the 41mm and 45mm will cost $399 and $429 respectively. If you opt for the GPS plus cellular variant, the 41mm and 45mm options will be priced at $499 and $529 respectively. Meanwhile, the stainless steel case only comes with the GPS plus cellular variant, and it starts from $699. Let's now open the box and see what's inside. Unboxing the Apple Watch is a unique and exciting experience.